calling all leaders. Calling all leaders, the sacrifices we see, the services we need, the selfless, compassionate breed of leaders to succeed those who engineered this nation on solid beliefs. Answer the call to a diversified state of mind, ready for teaching in Burma, building in the Philippines, changing in Vallejo, even in the midst of misunderstood misfits. Be ready for anything that God's people may offer you, like chow mein noodles to symbolize long life with a plate of chicken adobo. May you offer it to a hobo to symbolize hospitable acts of goodness that spark senses like the aroma of warm cinnamon and rich hot chocolate to embrace your inner being. And come and reflect by the ocean view near Carquinez Bridge or watch city lights at the top of Georgia Street. Beware of who you meet. The homelessness that residents witness in our city has shot them at point blank inside because they hide away from lies that eat them alive. So if all the leaders are listening right now, let's hope to create a positive, productive environment to promote education, recreation, peace, and salutation amongst new and old generations.